Hello, Santa.
Ribbit.
Is this really you?
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Oh.
Worried about you. I'm worried about you. I'm worried about you. You know, come on. Come on. Steady as the beating drum, let us begin to solve this puzzle. It appears to be stubborn. I don't know what this is, but I hope to find out soon. I know it's not a 3 by 3. It turns in 120 degrees. It has 180 degrees turns as well. Oh, I am scared. No, that's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, let me scramble it and we'll get on our merry way. Let's begin.
Well. I started trying to make algorithm, make sense of an algorithm, simple one, akin to like a right-hand algorithm. But I just ended up solving it intuitively. It looked like it was coming together. So what I did must have worked a little bit. That's why I got very lucky. Oh.